Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And today I'm gonna do very simple, something I tried earlier this morning and I think it's going to work the way I'd like it. I'm just gonna do something just in black and white. So this is the way I did it earlier. And let's see if this comes out the same way that it did then. So here is my, I think it's Amsterdam black paint that I have in there, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if that's going to stay exactly the way it is there, but if it does, then I'm going to call this a cave, looking out from a cave at the moon into the darkness. Well, I don't really name my paintings, but that's exactly what that looks like to me. I do like the way that came out. Something black and white. Hope you like that. I didn't get the effect from my paints that I thought, but I've never done any on the tile before. I'm used to using something bigger, so let's see what happens with this, how it dries up. I'll show you the dried results later on. Have a great night, day, evening, Be safe out there. Give me a thumbs up when you get a chance. Thanks for coming. It's Donna from Hollywood signing off, and I will give you a close-up on that. Bye-bye now.